Kids, welcome kids drawing. This is our shapes. This is our shapes. Let's some colors name. Blue color, light green color, orange color, brown color, pink color, red color, yellow color, dark green color. Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Hello kids, let's draw with me. This is rhombus. Rhombus. This is plus. This is plus. This is pentagon. Pentagon. This is arrow. Arrow. This is triangle. Triangle. This is ellipse. Ellipse. So kids, let's coloring 2D shapes. This is pink color. Coloring rhombus. This is green color. Coloring plus. This is blue color. Coloring pentagon. Red color, coloring arrow. Dark green color, coloring triangle. Orange color, coloring ellipse. Hello kids, like and subscribe my channel.